Fortunately, it doesn't seem as though you guys have any legal recourse.
We don't have any legal recourse.
No.
All right, I think I follow, fellas.
We don't have any
legal
recourse, right? What you're saying is, we gotta get creative.
If you're implying them advising you to do anything illegal, then I'm afraid you're mistaken.
Oh, no, of course we're mistaken.
Yeah,
no,
we're
we're
mistaken. No,
weren't.
we would never want to implicate certain parties in certain matters.
No, but if certain parties who has certain experiences
Or
connections,
certain affiliations,
could give us some tips or pointers, or even connect us to one of his guys, we could really